Hello everyone, I am Ataberk Yapıcı. I work as a design engineer in DfAM team. As Plus 90 3D Digital Factory, we have Turkey's first design for additive manufacturing team. In the first video of the DfAM in Action series, I will explain what the DfAM team does and how we can support our customers. Just as products are designed for conventional manufacturing, it needs to be designed according to rules of AM in order to get maximum efficiency from additive manufacturing. DfAM is a must if you want to add value to your products. So, what can we do for you? Working with us, you can reduce production costs, shorten production time and produce more complex and optimized parts. We can help you develop lighter and more durable products, shorten your time to market and contribute to R&D projects. Technology selection, material selection, design and engineering services, software and design trainings, in short. For everything related to additive manufacturing, DfAM in action. As the DfAM team, we start by identifying your needs and design objectives. Then we develop and evaluate different design options. Whether it's a prototype or an end-user products, we make the products ready by performing the necessary analysis. If you want to get maximum efficiency from additive manufacturing, if you want to add value to your products, you can visit our website or contact us for more information.